Hello guys, right here on the screen is a free $5,000 Profit account I just got early this morning today, and I'll be showing you how you too can claim your own free $5,000 Profit account. Yes, you'll get it for free. All you have to do is to watch this video to the very end as I show you the step-by-step processes on how to claim this free $5,000 Profit account. But before I start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, like this video and share it with your loved ones. So now, the first step you have to take in order for you to claim this free $5,000 Profit account in 2026 is for you to click on the link in the description of this video, and the link will also be available in the comment section. Once you click on it, you'll be taken directly to my Telegram channel. And in my Telegram channel, the link to come to this website right here on the screen, because this is the website where you'll be getting the free $5,000 account from. So you will see the link to this website in my Telegram channel. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to an interface like this right here on the screen. So now once you've gotten to an interface like this is where the work is going to start. So to claim your free $5,000 Profit account, the second step you have to take is to click on Get Funded. So once you've clicked on Get Funded, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on the three line above there. Alright, so click on it and click on Register. Click on Register now, and once you're done, just scroll down. Our plan now is to register, right? Our plan now is to register. So click on Get Funded now, and so the next thing for you to do is for you to scroll down. Alright, scroll down. Make sure you pay full attention to what I'll be showing, and as you can see, just click on this place, hashtag the most affordable one. Right, so just click on it, and once you've clicked on it, you can just select 5k. It's not necessary, right? It's not necessary. So just keep on scrolling down, and once you've done that, just click on More Rewards. And once you've clicked on More Rewards, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on this three line above here. So once you've clicked on the three line above here, click on this space, which is login. So just click on login and it will be loading. Alright, and as you can see, once it is done loading, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on register. Okay, now in this video I'll also be explaining the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your money from this Profit account, because this is no joke at all. All you have to do is to get the free Profit account, start trading, and withdraw your profit. Alright, so now that you've got into an interface like this, the next step you have to take is to enter your full name. Make sure that your full name is the same thing with your NIN name. Alright, enter your email, make sure that it is the same thing also. Just make sure that the names are connected. Enter your phone number and agree to their terms, and after that just click on register. Let me just do mine so that I can continue to guide you on what else to do. So this is me after my registration is successful. So the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your registered email and your registered password for you to be able to log in. So I have entered mine. So once you've entered it, this is the interface you'll be taken to. You will see your name. As you can see right here on the screen, this is the account selection. Alright, so just cancel it for now. It's not necessary for you to complete your profile, but you can as well as continue your profile. Alright, so let's just do it at once for no delay. Alright, so just complete your profile right here. So as you can see, immediately you are done completing your profile. Completing your profile does not include you verifying your NIN. I want you to know that. Alright, it does not include you verifying your NIN. So now that you are done, they will bring out something like this for you to install their platform on your phone. It's not necessary, but for better usage, you can just click on install. Alright, so as for me, I'm not going to be installing right now. Okay, so these are the challenge account. They also have a competition account. If you are interested in the competition account, this is the account size, and the total price you're going to pay is $10. For you to participate in the account type, you can just choose anyone you want. Alright, So now, without wasting too much of our time, let me show you how you can claim a free $5,000 from account without stress. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on this three line above here. Click on this three line. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to somewhere like this. All right, you'll be taken to somewhere like this. All you have to do is to scroll down. All right, scroll down. As you can see, this is leader spot, this is competition, this is checkout. Now if you want to withdraw after making a profit, you have to verify your KYC. I want you to know that you have to verify your KYC, and if there is something you don't know about the terms and conditions, you can always message their customer care. All right, you can message their customer care, and you can always see your balance, the amount you've traded already once you've opened the account. But without wasting too much of our time, to get this free $5,000 profit account, all you have to do is to click on rewards. Click on rewards right here. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to an interface like this, and as you can see, this reward is all about you performing a particular task and quest, okay, in order for you to earn point, and it is the point that you earned that you'll be using to purchase the free profit account right here in this video, right? So I'm going to be showing you how you can perform the task gently in order for you to be able to claim your free $5,000 account. All right, so now let me show you. So now the first thing you have to do, these are the available tasks and quests that are active. All you have to do is to leave a review on a site. So for example, just click on submit. So once you've clicked on submit, what you have to do right here is for you to review on their site. All right, review, make sure you submit a review and screenshot the review you've made about this particular platform, and after that just upload the proof of the review right here, and also follow them on Instagram. Immediately you follow them on Instagram, just screenshot the proof that you are following them, upload it right here, upload the proof right here. Okay, same thing goes for the Twitter. Follow them on Twitter, screenshot the proof, upload it right here. So once you upload the proof of your Instagram, you will be earning 500 points. Same thing goes with your Twitter, you'll be earning 500. Now to earn more, purchase your first challenge. You have to purchase your first challenge, but it's not important since it has something to do with money, and we say that we are going to be getting it for free. So now don't go with the hard one. You can just come to this place, have a friend sign up. So if you refer a friend, you get 500 points. That's 15. You can also join the monthly ones, or you can change your X Twitter profile to their logo, and you submit the link. All right, submit the link and you earn 300. So just find a way to earn points, post your payout on their, join their Discord also. These are a lot of points that you can actually get. All right, these are a lot of points I've shown you in my previous videos on how to get those points. All right, I've made a lot of videos that looks alike, just like the same thing with this video that I'm making currently. So now, how to claim this free $5,000 profit account after gaining the points. Let me show you how to claim it. So after earning some points, in order for you to get this free $5,000 profit account, there are two types of free $5,000 profit account that you'll be getting. All right, you can choose one of them. So just click on store right here, click on store. So once you've clicked on store, you'll be taken to an interface like this, and as you can see, in order for you to redeem this free $5,000 instant funding light account, you need 4,000 points, and I've shown you how to get those points. All right, and the second account that is here is 5k second step account, 75. So you can choose to get this one. This is the one I went for, right? This is the one I went for. So you can choose this second step. You need 3,000 points. So once you've gotten the point, all you have to do is to click on redeem right here. So once you click on redeem, your login details for MT5, because you'll be using MT5, will be sent to your email account, And I've already shown you guys how you can connect your Profim account to your MT5 and start trading happily. If there is anything you want to know more about, drop comment in the comment section and I'll attend to you straightforward. Right? Don't forget to verify your KYC before withdrawing your profit. I love you guys. Enjoy your trade.